Welcome to NIOS. Today we will discuss the introductory lesson of the secondary level book from social science syllabus. Title of the lesson is Subjects under Social Science. We all know that there are many subjects in schools and colleges. Subjects like maths, English, Hindi, history, geography, economics, and there are many more subjects. But do you know that these subjects can be divided into different categories? Yes, we can surely do that. We can divide these subjects into science subjects, social science subject, commerce subjects. So this way we can put subjects together. Can you tell me that history subject comes under which category? Does it comes under science or social science? Very nice. You all answered correctly. History is a subject of social science category. Learners, let us first know that what is social science? Social science is related to the society. Its aim is to find about all the issues related to the society and also find solutions for the problems faced by the society. Social science includes many different subjects under it, and those important subjects are five. The first is history and archaeology. The second is geography. Third is political science. Fourth is sociology. And the fifth is economics. Learners, all the units of this course in social science are connected with these subjects. In our today's lesson, we will try to understand about social science, especially history. We will understand the importance of studying social science and also learn that how is it related to our lives. Learners, by now you know that social science has many subjects like economics, history, geography, political science, and sociology. You would be surprised to know in the earlier time long ago there was only one subject, that was philosophy. However, later with time many new subjects became and new subjects were born. We will now study about the different subjects that comes under social science one by one. First of all, we will study about history subject. First, let us learn the meaning of word history. History is an account of events that have happened in the past, but A question comes to our mind that what is the use of studying history subject? Learners, we study history because it helps us to know about our past, our strength and achievements, and also gives us a feeling of pride as we feel happy about our achievement. History also teaches us important lessons as to learn from our own mistakes and not to repeat them in the future. Archaeology is a subject that is related to history. It is the study of ancient, old times and the condition of society and culture during that period. We can find out about the old times by studying the remains like old buildings, writing, pottery, dead bodies, etc. Archaeologists are those people who study all these remains of the past and give information about the old times. Learners, most of the time, the remains related to the past times are buried under the ground. So they have to be dug out. And that digging out process is called as archaeological excavation. Dear learners, various sites related to Indus Valley civilization. Those places were also excavated by the archaeologists. Can you name few places of the Indus Valley civilization that were excavated by the archaeologists? I can tell you six names. The first name is Mohenjo-daro. Second name is Harappa. Third name is Kali Bangan. Fourth name is Rakhi Garhi. Fifth name is Dholavrira. Sixth name is Lothal. All these six places are the few sites of Indus Valley civilization that were excavated by archaeologists. We must remember that such archaeological excavations are conducted in different parts of the world from time to time. and we get to know about them in TV news and newspapers. Archaeological sources include different types of objects like coins, seals, buildings, pottery, toys, pictures, writings, and all these things. All these items help us in understanding about the incidents that happened during the past. And that is why museums are an important source of information about the old times. Do you know what is a museum? Museum is a building in which objects of historical, scientific, or cultural importance are kept, and people can go and see them. ASI. We must remember that the Archaeological Survey of India is the top organization in our country that helps in conducting study related to ancient buildings and also works for their protection. Learners, let us learn about the next subject that comes under social science, and that is geography. Geography is the study of the earth, people, places, and environment. In simple terms, geography informs us about the world in which we live. Geography helps us to understand about the differences between the society, culture, economy, and environment of different countries in the world. For example, the Indian society is very different from the American society in terms of language, culture, environment, politics, etc. And by studying the geography of India and America, we can understand about the reasons for these differences. In this lesson, you will learn why early humans made bows, arrows, and other small tools. Geography gives us the answer that why this happened. After the end of ice age, grasslands increased and the number of grass eating animals like deer, goat, sheep, etc. also increased. As you know, that these animals run very fast, so it was not possible to hunt them with the help of heavy weapons. Therefore, man invented light and small weapons which could be easily used to kill these animals. The third subject which we are going to study is political science. Political science forms an important part of social science as it tells that how we are ruled. That means what kind of government rules us. Political science is related with the system of politics in our country. It tells us how the government is elected. Next subject which we are going to study is sociology. Sociology is the study of human behavior in context of society. Sociology focuses on the study of human groups. Sociology has come from the Latin word sociologie, Sociologie. It literally means the study of companion. Sociology studies the structure of a society and how it works. It also helps us to understand the different factors that have shaped our society. This includes race, class, gender, culture, religion, and government. Next is the fifth subject, economics. Economics is the scientific study of the ways in which human beings produce and spend their production and income. Let us try to understand it in simple terms. You must have seen in your family that how your parents decide about spending their income and how they save a certain portion of that income for use in the future. This is economics. Economics become all the more important when we have limited income and we need more money. So, it becomes very important to spend the money that we have in a planned manner so that all the needs get fulfilled. Learners, all the subjects that comes under the category of social science helps us to understand about the entire process of human progress and development. It is time now for today's question. I hope you all will be able to answer this question. All the best. Now the question is that what is the study of human behavior in the context of society called? You have four options. The first option is history. Second option is geography. Third option is political science. Fourth option is sociology. You have to choose any one option. Right. Option 4 is the right answer. The study of human behavior in the context of society is called as sociology. Let us now quickly revise our today's lesson. We learnt about the meaning of term social science and its importance. We also learnt about the different subjects that come under social science, like history and archaeology, geography, political science, sociology, economics. We also came to know about the importance and use of different subjects of social science. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any query, you can send email to us at signlanguage@nios.ac.in. For more information, you can visit our website www.nios.ac.in. Thank you.
पर ये मुस्कान आई है शिक्षा के जरिए। ये मुस्कान आई है नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ ओपन स्कूलिंग यानी NIOS के जरिए। नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ ओपन स्कूलिंग या राष्ट्रीय मुक्त विद्यालयी शिक्षा संस्थान, इस संस्थान का एक बड़ा उद्देश्य है आम आदमियों के जीवन को बेहतर बनाना। ऐसे लोग जिनके लिए शिक्षा एक दूर का सपना है या वे बच्चे जो परिवार की रोजी रोटी कमाने के लिए बीच में ही स्कूल छोड़ने पर मजबूर हो जाते हैं। NIOS ऐसे बच्चों और बड़ों को दोबारा शिक्षा से जुड़ने का मौका मुहैया कराता है ताकि वे एक बेहतर जीवन जी सकें। 1989 में स्थापना के बाद NIOS ने देश के लाखों बच्चों और वयस्कों को बेहतर शिक्षा से जोड़ा है। इनमें हर उम्र, हर पृष्ठभूमि, हर जाति, हर मजहब और हर क्षेत्र के लड़के लड़कियां, महिलाएं और पुरुष शामिल हैं। बढ़ई से लेकर पायलट, डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, बेकर और दर्जी तक NIOS कोशिश कर रहा है सबको शिक्षित और सशक्त बनाने की, चाहे वो असम के दूर दराज इलाके में रहने वाला हो या फिर मुंबई जैसे महानगर का। NIOS ने अपनी मौजूदगी हर जगह दर्ज कराई है। NIOS ने शिक्षा की परंपरागत सोच को ही बदल दिया है। वो पढ़िए जो हम पढ़ाते हैं की जगह NIOS की नई सोच है, हम वो पढ़ाते हैं जो आप पढ़ना चाहते हैं। इस नई सोच ने लोगों को आगे बढ़ने और NIOS के साथ जुड़ने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया है। शिक्षा उपलब्ध कराने के मामले में NIOS किसी सीमा को नहीं मानता, उम्र की सीमा को भी नहीं। चंडीगढ़ के गणेश के लिए भी NIOS एक वरदान साबित हुआ। NIOS शारीरिक रूप से अक्षम बच्चों को भी बेहतर शिक्षा मुहैया कराने के लिए पूरी तरह प्रतिबद्ध है। ऐसे बच्चों के लिए शिक्षा न केवल रोजगार के द्वार खोलती है, बल्कि उन्हें आत्मविश्वास और गर्व के साथ जीना भी सिखाती है। NIOS खेल के इन सितारों को उनकी सुविधा और समय के अनुसार बेहतर शिक्षा उपलब्ध कराता है। मेरी कॉम, सोमदेव देववर्मन, देविका रेबेका पल्लिकल, अरमान इब्राहिम, प्रद्युमन प्रकाश और अमय जोत सिंह। NIOS सीमा पर खड़े उन प्रहरियों को भी शिक्षा से लाभान्वित करता है जो देश की सुरक्षा के लिए अपनी जान की बाजी लगाने से भी नहीं चूकते। सच तो ये है कि NIOS की पहुंच हर ओर रहती है, चाहे वो दूर दराज के आदिवासी हो या जेल की कोठरी में बंद कैदी या फिर ग्रामीण और शहरी क्षेत्रों के गरीब निवासी। देश में कहीं भी कोई भी व्यक्ति, स्त्री, पुरुष, लड़का, लड़की, अमीर, गरीब शिक्षा से वंचित न रहे। राष्ट्रीय मुक्त विद्यालयी शिक्षा संस्थान का यही मिशन है।
राष्ट्रीय मुक्त विद्यालय शिक्षा संस्थान पूरे देश में शिक्षा के साथ साथ कौशल विकास के क्षेत्र में बहुत सारे कोर्सेज दे रहा है। लगभग 100 से ज़्यादा कोर्सेज हैं। हम दूर दराज के गांव में अपने संस्थान बनाते हैं और वहाँ के बच्चों को, वहाँ के बच्चियों को, वहाँ के वयस्कों को हुनर के क्षेत्र में शिक्षा पहुँचाते हैं। आपको जानकर खुशी होगी कि अब हम आर्ट्स, साइंस, कॉमर्स जिन क्षेत्रों में 12वीं का सर्टिफिकेट दिया जाता रहा है, अब हम हुनर के क्षेत्र में, वोकेशनल एरिया में भी 10वीं और 12वीं का सर्टिफिकेशन करेंगे। तो वो बच्चे जो कृषि से जुड़े हुए हैं, कारपेंट्री से जुड़े हुए हैं या दूसरे क्षेत्रों से जुड़े हुए हैं, वो अपने ही क्षेत्र में काम करेंगे, सीखेंगे, हुनर पैदा करेंगे अपने में और सर्टिफाइड भी होंगे कि वो सर्टिफाइड कृषक हैं, खेतिहर हैं। तो आज तक जो हमारे देश में ये सोच रही है कि आप 12वीं पास तभी कहे जाएंगे जब भूगोल, अर्थशास्त्र, भौतिकी ये पढ़ेंगे, अब ये समय बदल गया है। ITI में जितने बच्चे पढ़ते हैं, लगभग 18 लाख बच्चे हर साल दाखिला लेते हैं। अब हम उनको सर्टिफिकेशन करेंगे।
NIOS अपने छात्रों को माध्यमिक स्तर पर 26 और उच्च माध्यमिक स्तर पर 19 विषयों का विकल्प देता है। पढ़ाई किस माध्यम से करनी है, इसमें भी आपको लचीलापन मिलेगा। माध्यमिक स्तर पर ही 7 भाषाओं के अलग अलग माध्यमों का विकल्प मौजूद है। शैक्षणिक कार्यक्रमों के अलावा 86 वोकेशनल शिक्षा कार्यक्रम भी उपलब्ध हैं, जो छात्रों को कामकाजी दुनिया के लिए तैयार करते हैं। वोकेशनल प्रशिक्षण को अधिक सुदृढ़ बनाने के लिए NIOS ने ITDC, सिस्को, इंडियन मेडिकल एसोसिएशन जैसे कई सरकारी और गैर सरकारी संस्थानों के साथ भागीदारी स्थापित की है। आज लाखों छात्रों के लिए अपनी पसंद का स्कूल है राष्ट्रीय मुक्त विद्यालयी शिक्षा संस्थान यानी नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ ओपन स्कूलिंग। NIOS ने एक लंबा सफर तय किया है, लेकिन मंजिल अभी दूर है। निरंतर विकास और नवीनीकरण के लिए NIOS सदैव प्रतिबद्ध है। शिक्षा का उद्देश्य महज रोजगार जुटाना ही नहीं है, बल्कि स्वयं को सशक्त बनाना भी है। NIOS लाखों छात्रों के लिए यही आत्मसम्मान दिलाने में जुटा है। लाखों लोगों के लिए एक आशा और उम्मीद है। नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ ओपन स्कूलिंग। शिक्षा सबके लिए, कहीं भी, कभी भी।